last dance in this thematic presentation, Kalinga Nartam. But before that, let me introduce the stars of this recital, Team Chalaya to you. First up, our perfectionist with the cutest chaos, Riya. Her ambition is flawless, her energy is loud, and if there's food, she's around. Cute, loud, and totally huggable, our very own teddy bear. Next, the one who can light up any room, Deekshita. Always cracking jokes, sharing her chips, and making everyone smile. Kind, funny, and full of life, our entertainer on and off stage. Our very own Krishna in disguise, Avani. Small, sweet, and full of mischief, she dances with the same charm she lives with. Playful, loving, and impossible not to adore. Daksha, the youngest of the batch. Sweet, kind, and the reigning queen of idols. She keeps us on our toes, whether giggling quietly or surprising us with her wit. Behind every idol is one of the kindest hearts you'll ever meet. On stage, she's the fierce warrior, tall, grand, and totally commanding. Off stage, the cutest blogger with a smile that could melt stone. That's Samiksha, the only person who can go from playing a mighty king to turning big after one compliment. Upasana, the oldest and our big sister. She showers us with gifts, treats, and endless patience, enduring all our antics, and true to her nature, always taking part in the fun right alongside us. Our beauty queen, Anaga, jumpy, giggly, and full of energy. Never seen without her trusty lip liner. Cute, fun, and totally herself, a bundle of giggles and charm. Niranjana, a super smiley drama queen. Quiet at times, tucky at others, and always ready to strike a pose. Full of laughter and personality, our picture-perfect bundle of fun. Sanishta, small in size, but a total atom bomb. With a jolly attitude, never shy to speak her mind, and endlessly chatty. A whirlwind of energy, whose passion and spirit inspire everyone around her. Last but not least, Akshita, a talented dancer with her own unique charm. Calm, graceful, and always adding her special touch to every performance. She's truly one of a kind. Krishna, the most humane of all the avatars of Sri Mahavishnu, known for his myriad roles as the eternal dancer, the divine lover, the staunch friend, the strong protector, and the wise teacher. Vaishnava would be incomplete without a mention of this divine power. The dancers will be presenting to you Kalinga Nartanam, the dance of victory, of goodness over evil, as little Krishna overpowers the mighty Kalinga Nartanam. Kalinga Nartanam, Ragam, Punagavarani, Aditalam. Yet another masterpiece from Sri Madurai Muralidharan, a choreography inspired by Dr. Sheila Unikrishnan.
கதியுடனே அகிலம் முழுதும் தினம் புகழும்